into new ideas and technologies. But until recently, no one outside of a small group of car company engineers ever got to drive them. Well, Lisa Barrow recently had a chance to live a car junkie's dream and compare the auto show fantasy to the reality of the open road.
Chrysler has built quite a reputation for creating car designs that are cutting edge. And much of the styling and innovation that we see on current Chrysler production cars has its roots in concept vehicles, like this 1998 Jeep Jeepster. Ask a Chrysler designer about the concept behind the Jeep Jeepster, and you'll likely hear the phrase, Autobahn meets Rubicon. Turns out, the all-wheel drive Jeepster blends the power and handling of a sports car with the off-road capabilities of a sport utility.
This vehicle capitalizes on all the brand heritage of the Jeep, and specifically the Wrangler. We can see the Wrangler front, the 7-slot grille, the round lamps that is very prominent for the brand.
And note the red sidewalls. You may remember that styling cue from your first Mattel Hot Wheels model. In addition to a potent 4.7-liter, 275 horsepower V8, one of the Jeepster's more intriguing offerings is an adjustable suspension that raises or lowers the vehicle 4 inches depending upon driving needs.
This is the Dodge Intrepid ESX2, and it is what we call a mybrid. And what that is a mild hybrid system. In here we have a 1.5-liter direct injection diesel engine coupled to a 5-speed manual transmission that we're actually controlling electronically to mimic an automatic. Up here is a 15-kilowatt electric motor that we're using to synchronize up the transmission and also for reverse gear.
The key to this concept is affordability. We have the hybrid powertrain in this car is more expensive than a normal powertrain because we have to add an electric motor and battery pack. Therefore, we've developed a low-cost, lightweight body structure. This is a plastic composite body that's molded in 6 pieces as opposed to a normal body structure, which is 80 to 100 pieces of steel that are stamped and welded together. And this low-cost alternative helps to offset the increased cost of the powertrain.
Look for the ESX2 to get 70 miles per gallon and a 0 to 60 time of 12 seconds. And drivers on the go can hook up their own portable handheld computer to access traffic updates, email, and instructions on changing a flat tire. When Chrysler designed the mid-engine Plymouth Pronto Spyder, they obviously had fun in mind, but affordability was a key consideration. Like the Intrepid ESX2, they replaced expensive sheet metal with low-cost recyclable plastic.
What's really neat about this material is that it's molded in color. This lowers the cost, and that money can be turned around into other things like drivetrain or tire packages or more performance-oriented characteristics.
This rear-wheel drive supercharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder has an interior that rivals the modern aggressive exterior. Retro styling complements the overall design, and the banjo-spoke steering wheel is a nice touch. If Chrysler builds this one, look for a price tag around $20,000.
The inspiration behind the Chrysler Chronos is the 1953 Chrysler d'Elegance concept car. And some of the details that were maintained or mimicked are the French tin lamps that we can see right here on the front and the rear, and the large predominant grille with a large chrome collar. The car has an enormous 131-inch wheelbase and these large wheels and tires. They really are very heroic in scale. And what that provides is a real presence on the road, and when you walk around it and park next to it, it's a very almost royal presence without being overly intimidating.
The rear-wheel drive Chronos luxury sedan is built on the LH platform. Chrysler dropped an enormous 6-liter 20-valve V10 engine into it, which produces more than 350 horsepower. Inside, luxury abounds, from a hand-wrapped leather steering wheel to elegant watch face gauges to a trendy humidor. So we've said that Chrysler has a reputation for building car designs that are cutting edge. Well, it also has a reputation for turning concepts like the Viper and Prowler into actual production cars. So now we wait. Which one of Chrysler's 98 designs do you think you'll be driving soon?